what is your take on why brands need a purpose?
Okay, so I think broadly I was kind of hinting towards why it's needed. It's essentially, in today's world, uh, it's a very complex world. There are extremely high number of choices, avenues for the brand, for a consumer, to buy from, to choose from. I don't know, Shabnam, you would have read something like a, consumer purchase funnel, which they call. I think I'm not saying it correctly, but there is a reason why I'm not saying it correctly, because that concept which we study in marketing in campus, it's so flawed. And it's not flawed because the concept is not right. It's flawed because the way generations change, the consumer decision funnel or whatever you choose to call it, it just changed so suddenly. Now, if you do not have a brand purpose, what happens is what is essentially a brand? A brand is few codes which help the consumer understand or remember your brand and remember it for good, right? So if it is not sharply defined, I think brands would really struggle to survive, right? Even if it is about a great product, even if it is about a really meaningful difference into people's lives, that is when you have a purpose. And think like Amazon. Okay, I think Amazon does have a, I think Amazon's purpose, if I were to define it, would be customer first. And if you just define your purpose as customer first, whether it's the number of clicks which is needed to buy a product, whether it is how sooner they can get your groceries delivered, whether it is how easier they make it for sellers to get registered, whether it is about the variety of options which a consumer wants, everything kind of gets ingrained in it. And that's one way of looking at it, how just it helps the brand, how it helps the organization kind of strategize. I think Amazon is a great example how they, for years they've just been about customer first, and hence the entire way. I think Amazon was one of the first organizations which kind of created this very transparent review system, where they're absolutely transparent about it. You might be the greatest product elsewhere, but the customers there and their reviews decide how good you are, and they claim they never tinker with it, and I would love to believe them. And it's the consumers or the customers of Amazon who let Amazon grow, and from there comes a very strong ecosystem of a great delivery service. From there it comes from a customer first purpose, it comes to how easier they make you to purchase a particular thing, how they use their AI to ensure that availability is right even during deep crisis times like COVID. I think that's how it's very important for an organization or for a brand to define their purpose, because otherwise the brand gets lost. Look at any organization which has survived for over 30-40 years, and if you just think, or any brand which has survived for over 40 years, you would understand they had a very sharply defined purpose. It's essentially we in our Unilever terms, we say that purpose kind of helps people thrive, and it helps in businesses grow. And I think it's not just about the brand, it's just about for people working with that as well. You pick up the great large brands and look at 35 to 40 years of span, you would see the great brands like Coke, great brands like Nike, of course, the two best brands that you think of, but this large plethora of Unilever brands, the Vaseline of the world, the Lifebuoy of the world, they've kind of survived because they've had a very strongly defined purpose. Otherwise, it's very easy for us to see brands come and go, and it's going to increasingly become like that if you do not have a sharply defined purpose. I think that's absolutely essential for brands to grow, and it's not just brands. With regards to us, if we do not have a sharp purpose, it's just that we won't be able to excel in the way we could have, in the way we can also attain our true potential. I think purpose is essentially that strong word which kind of helps us reach our best, whether it is brands, whether it is us human beings. So I am a firm believer in the word and in the principle of purpose. Yeah.